Building a badass business is about taking the intimidation out of being an entrepreneur and really allowing you to be a successful business owner. After building my own businesses and years of being an entrepreneur, I learned these things the hard way. This is really a course I created for business beginners, both online and brick and mortar, that are ready to start but are maybe asking themselves, how do I do this? In what order? And how do I actually even reach my audience? We talk about being an entrepreneur in such an abstract way. You can do this and dream big, but what does that really mean? And what steps do you really need to take? This is about what you want to create. It's goal setting, logistics, and legalities. It's branding and then marketing so you can actually make sales happen. In 10 modules, we're gonna go through what took me years to fully grasp. Let's build your badass business. I'm so excited.